In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF embed to a Blogger post. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enhance your blog posts with embedded PDF documents seamlessly. So, let's get started. The first step in this process is to open Google Drive. It's an incredibly useful platform that allows you to store and manage your files in the cloud, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the option labeled New on the left-hand side of the screen. It's a button that has a colorful plus sign next to it. Click on it, and you will see a drop-down menu. From there, select File Upload. This option will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your computer's files. Locate the PDF document you would like to embed and select it. You'll see a notification on the bottom right corner of the screen showing the upload progress. Just hang tight and wait for the process to complete. Next, you'll need to make the PDF accessible to the public. This involves changing the file's sharing permissions so that anyone with the link can view it. To do this, locate the PDF file in your Google Drive and right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Share. A dialog box will pop up displaying sharing options. In the General Access section, you want to change it to Anyone with the link. Additionally, ensure that the permission is set to Viewer, which allows others only to view the document without altering it. Click Copy Link. This step is crucial as it generates the link that we will use to embed the PDF into Blogger. For the next step, open a code generation tool to generate an embed code for your PDF link. Paste your copied link when prompted in the tool to generate the embed code. Now that you've got your embed code ready, it's time to add the PDF to your Blogger post. Start by signing in to your Blogger account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the post or page where you want to display the PDF document. It's important to switch to the HTML view, as this will allow you to paste the embed code directly into the post. Insert the iframe code that you generated earlier. Here's an example of what it should look like. HTML, Make sure to replace file ID with your actual Google Drive file ID, which is a unique string of characters that you'll find in the URL of your document. Once you've inserted the code, switch back to Compose View. This allows you to preview what your embedded PDF will look like within the post. If everything appears in order, go ahead and publish or update your post to make it live. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a PDF into your Blogger post. This technique is not only functional, but also adds a dynamic aspect to your content. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.